Hey guys, welcome to the new gadget. Today we show you best 5 drones.
DJI Dallin Mini Drone, a great gift for kids. Full protective design, without worry about your kids get hurt even if they catch it by hand. Meanwhile, protect the propellers and motors better. Easy to play, 3 speed modes. You can adjust the speed to meet your operation proficiency. The auto hovering function enables the drone to hover at current height when you release the throttle stick, more stable to achieve flips and rolls. You can start the drone with one key takeoff button, and perform flips, one key spin and rotation. Lots of fun with your kids or friends. JJRC H68 Drone. 40 minutes intelligent battery life. Come with two 1800 mAh drone LiPo batteries in the package. The large capacity battery extends your flight time to 40 minutes. Upgraded 1080p HD camera, equipped with an upgraded 45 degrees adjustable 1080p camera, combined with anti-shake table. Video recordings is smooth and stable. Enjoy the flying and stably record wonderful moments from the air with awesome perspective. FPV real-time transmission, with a built-in Wi-Fi module, you'll get a live video of your camera on your phone, making it easy and convenient to share to your friends directly. Headless mode and altitude hold for easier operation. You will not have to worry about orientation and out of control, which makes the drone easier to play. Snapdragon S5C drone is user-friendly. Simply press one button, it will take off, land or return to your command. Smart voice control, headless mode, and the fascinating 360 degrees flips and rolls come handy even for the drone newbies. The Snapdragon S5C provides video transmission within a range of up to 80 meters. Edit and upload instantly your videos on social media by iPhone or a 1080p video transmission signal up to a scale of 80 meters, allowing you to fly farther. Edit HD footage and directly upload it to social media from your iPhone or iPad. The video clips are automatically saved to the micro SD card. Protective propeller guards to ensure a safe flight. High quality ABS material to free your worries of a sudden shock or drop. Best choice with enough fun for beginners. Altitude hold function ensures a steady hover in the air at a certain altitude. Great aerial pictures and videos are feasible thanks to this function. Trajectory flight function is the newest technology that by drawing a flight course on the touch screen on your smartphone, the drone will fly accordingly. Pure fun awaits. Snapdragon SB500 foldable GPS FPV drone, HD pictures and videos and 5G Wi-Fi transmission, 110 degrees wide angle 1080p HD camera including adjustable angle, which captures high quality video and clear aerial photos. 5G Wi-Fi 800 feet transmission ensure the high speed real-time image. GPS auto return and safer flight positioning help SB500 drone hover stably to catch clearer images, and return to home precisely whenever battery is low, signal is lost or you like to get it back. Never lose your drone. Enjoy your flight. You can fly at your will by using Follow Me mode or drawing a route on the Snapdragon app control page. You can even use the app to set circling around an object and plan a desired route to focus on capturing photos and videos and get outdoor fun.
Certain perspective limits our altitude and vice versa, but this T25 release it. Looks amazing? You can also make it. Potensic T25. Life should be this way. Refuse to be complicated and make it simple. One key taking off, landing. Fixed point hovering in the air. GPS positioning system. And one key auto return. T25 can automatically return and land precisely. However, our T25 is more than that. T25 can meet all your expectations. A smart drone. The drone will fly according to your designed route and the app map. A good partner. T25 will always fly around you, wherever you go, by the Follow Me mode. Tired of conventional shooting? Let's make a change. One key taking HD pictures, and the 75-degree adjustable camera will diversify your shooting style. Record 1080p HD videos. See broader views. One key sharing joyful moments you've captured through the drone app. Stronger anti-wind ability due to the newest built-in 9-axis gyro, which makes perfect shooting. Easy to control. The headless mode helps the pilot easy to control in the air. Freely enjoy the fast and the furious in the sky. What's more, T25 drone is like a star shining in the night sky. The LED flashlight helps you realize your aircraft's real-time position, satisfy you from flying experience to visual perception. All what we've been done is to bring you a more intelligent, functional, and simpler drone to you.
Seeking stars in the sky, shocked by the boundlessness and vastness. But Potenzic's enterprising craftsmanship can make our dream finally come true. T25 enlightens your life.